In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the GCash face scan error. If you're getting stuck at the face verification stage, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you resolve it quickly on an Android device. First, let's make sure the GCash app itself isn't the problem. Open the Google Play Store, search for GCash, and check if an update button is available. If you see it, tap Update and wait for the install to finish. App updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that can directly solve face scan issues. Once the update completes, open GCash and try logging in again to see if the face scan works as expected. If the error is still there, we'll adjust a few settings on your phone. Go to your device's settings, then tap on Apps or App Management and locate GCash in the list. Open the GCash app details page. Here, tap Storage. Select Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing glitches. Don't worry, clearing the cache won't delete your account or transaction history. Avoid tapping Clear Data, since that can log you out and remove saved preferences. Next, go back to the GCash app details page and open Permissions. Make sure the camera permission is enabled. If it's denied or set to Ask Every Time, switch it to Allow. The face scan can't work without camera access, so this step is essential. While you're here, you can quickly confirm that other relevant permissions, like phone or storage, haven't been restricted, but the key one is camera. Now return to GCash and try the face scan again. For the best result, hold your phone steady at eye level, make sure your face is centered, and use a well-lit area without backlighting. Remove anything that might block your face, like a hat, glasses with strong glare, or a mask. If your lens looks smudged, a quick wipe with a soft cloth can help the camera detect your features more accurately. After these changes, most face scan errors should be resolved. To recap, we updated the GCash app from the Play Store, cleared the app cache through settings, and confirmed that the camera permission is allowed. These steps tackled the most common causes: outdated app versions, corrupted temporary files, and blocked camera access. If you've tried all of this and the face scan still fails, it could be a temporary service issue or something specific to your device model. In that case, wait a bit and try again later, or reach out through official support channels for more help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back into your GCash account without a hitch.